Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to make this box. Cute little box. It measures 3 3/4 by 2 by 1/4 deep. So it's quite a cute little box. You can get quite a bit in there. Bit of jewellery, some sweets, some smellies. And yeah, I just thought it was a nice little box for maybe a little thank you gift. I've done this as a thank you gift. You could be equally do it as a birthday. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll show you how I made it. So I've got a 6x6 sheet of the bird ballad paper. I don't really like that. So I've got to decide which way I want the stripes. I can't decide, so I'm just gonna go for it, and it'll be what it will be. So we're gonna score. So it's 6x6. We're gonna score at 3/4, at 2 3/4, at 3 1/2, and at 5 1/2. And then we'll just turn it quarter turn and score at 3/4, 4 1/2, 5 1/4. So all those score measurements will be on Nigezza.co.uk for you. And then we're just going to fold and burnish all of these score lines. I do like this stripy paper. I like stripes. And I just saw this and I thought, oh yeah, I need to do something with this. And it's a nice, bright, cheery combinations of colours. And I just thought they could be given to male or female with these colour combinations. Quite liked it. Right, now we've got that section there that goes around like that, so that's our top, and that bit there's our bottom. So we need to cut this small rectangle here away. So I like to go up the score line with on the other side of the score line, so when you cut it away, you've cut away the whole score line. That's the way I like to do it. And the same for this, so we're going to go straight up these, and then we're going to notch so we get rid of that score line, and then the same on the end here. We're just going to notch those like so. So then you've got to cut away bits at the top. Now I always have to think about it. So what we want is we want that to be the back and this to be the front. So we want to keep all of that and then these side flaps. So we're going to cut away all of this so that we just keep that, which is going to fold over. You'll see when I've done it. So I'm going to notch again in there, and then we're just going to cut all of this off there, cut down there, I might get my bigger scissors actually, and then I can cut that in one go because I haven't done that very well. There we go. That off, and then cut down this one, get rid of that top flap, cut down there, top flap, and then notch. I'm thinking I need to wear my glasses because I'm struggling to see. So vain. That needs to come off a bit there. And that is our basic construction. That's what it's going to look like. Looks easier that way to see. Okay, and I'm going to just round these corners off because that gives it a bit of a neater finish and easier to fold your box flap in if you do that. Oh, that wasn't very well done. A bit better. And then it's just a matter of putting glue down here, and we'll use fast fuse for quickness. And it should fold over there and meet because it is a symmetrical box. And then at the bottom we're going to fold that up. I'm just going to put a little thumb hole in here with my half circle punch so that these fold down nicely. Well, they would if I'd actually cut that a bit better. I've left a bit of the end on. There we go. And then what I like to do is sandwich my flaps. So I'm going to stick that there. Put that there. And then when that's stuck down, you can now use your bone folder to rub it down, and then you've got quite a nice sort of neat down there. You can't see the flaps. So that's the box, and so now we just need to decorate. I need to rub off that fast fuse before I stick the whole box to my craft mat. So I thought this would make a nice little I've overcut it there, haven't I? A nice little thank you gift. So I'm going to use the Thanks a Bunch from the Beautiful Bouquet. I left the stamp set on the desk. So the sentiments are bigger than shown on the box. I just thought this would be a nice little thank you gift box to put a thank you gift in for a customer or somebody that's done something nice for you. So got a little scrap of paper. I'm using Old Olive. So stamp that there like so, put it on my chamois, and I'm going to cut it out using the stitched circle frame, and then using the little rectangle from the stitched rectangles, I'm going to cut out a rectangle. So that's them cut out, and I thought it might look a little bit different to sort of layer them like that, but I wanted a bit of a ribbon to go with it as well. So using an Old Olive alcohol, one of our alcohol blends, I coloured our Whisper White ribbon with the metallic ribbon, and so I thought I will tie that and do a little a little knot at the side. So this piece is about 9 inches long. So I'm just doing a knot here. And I'm just going to trim the end of this ribbon. And then I'm going to attach this, move the ribbon over a tad. And you can either sandwich this so you've got like a proper belly band, so that you can pull the whole thing on and off, which actually I think I'm going to do. Because I think that'll be nice. The alternative is to layer these like this and then just secure that to the box and have it as a permanent fixture, but I'm going to do it the other way around. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to put some glue dots underneath the ribbon to stick it to that back piece. Like so. Put my finger down there, hold it in place, make sure it's straight, and then I'm going to get some dimensionals on the back of here. I opened a whole new pack of dimensionals and I can't find them. I'll actually use these strips. Strip at the top and a strip at the bottom, and then just a little bit in the middle. That will work. Then it's sticking to the cardstock as well as the ribbon. Close that up properly. So there we have it, cute little box. And this belly band will slip on and off if you want it to. So that thanks a bunch could go a little bit higher on the box if you wanted to. And you can fit all sorts of little thank yous and goodies in there for a little treat. I have overcut it there, so don't be doing that. Okay, hope you like it. All the details will be over on my blog, nigezza.co.uk. There will be a thing flashing up there to take you there. Like and subscribe. Go and explore. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.